Hey everybody, it's John here bringing you another how-to video. Today we're going to be installing the center console shelf from MX5things on a 2016 and newer Mazda MX-5 Miata. This is the 4th generation Miata, also known as the ND, and this center console shelf will add a little bit of an extra room. You can see here's my factory glove box or center console between the seats. And it should add me a little extra storage space because I can make use of this top half of the center console and also, have the big deep pocket there that can be used for storing other things as well. But first, I just want to comment on the quality of this piece. So this is made out of aluminum. It's very solid, a little bit of weight to it. It's not a flimsy piece of metal or a piece of plastic that's going to be in there rattling around and popping out of place. This does feel very high quality and well made. I have heard it can be a little tricky navigating that through the opening of the center console and getting it mounted, but once we get it fixed in there, I am hopeful that it's going to be a quality piece that fits well and that will serve me for many years to come here. So let's give this a try. First thing I'm going to show is there's 3 tabs on the back side of that piece of metal. And those are going to fit. There's one to the left side of the video here, one right in the center, and then one right over there on the right-hand side of the video. Those are the 3 tabs we're gunning for. And then you can see the shelf is going to rest on that little ledge there on the far left side. And there's, of course, one on the right-hand side too. So we're going to balance the ledge on that. We might have to angle that center console shelf first just to get it inside the glove box. But once we get it inside there, that's when we're going to be able to get it balanced on those edges and then get it lined up with those 3 tabs. So I'm going to go ahead and use my other hand here and get that thing mounted, and I'll show you what the final result looks like. Alrighty guys, I ended up moving to the passenger seat. It gave me a little more access. I was fighting the steering wheel as I was trying to get turned around to mount this thing, but it's a little finicky getting in there, I'll be honest. So the hype did live up to its name, but after about a minute or two of just being very careful and trying to get the shelf above those slots on the side, I was then able to get the 3 tabs lined up. It's very solid. Now that it's mounted in there, it's not going anywhere. Can't lift it, can't push it downward. So I would say you could fit a couple cell phones up there for sure, napkins, things like that. Maybe if you want to keep your registration or those types of items up on the top shelf, I would say it's about 3 to maybe 3.5, 4 inches deep. And then of course the entire width of the center console, but you still have most of the big space and room in the bottom of that glove box. So anyway, hope this is helpful, give you a better idea, kind of a real life look at how that center console mounts and how it looks in the glove box of a 2016 and newer Mazda MX-5 Miata. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos, and as always, have a great day.